Hey yo, welcome to my John, right by the bridge. Prime real estate, cuz. Infrastructure crazy sturdy.
Viewing the city, no debate. I just be sitting here watching traffic like humans a turned up species. People always ask me, you eat cheesesteaks? I'm like, sometimes, if I'm trying to blend in. Organic John, high protein, no bread though. Bread, be dense. This why I recharge. Y'all call it sleep, we call it cellular recalibration. But yeah, 8 hours, that's what human doctor said.
You gotta understand the drip. You can't just invade a planet looking nutty. This my formal wear. Don't worry about that, John.
I ain't saying this is strategic location, but like, it's cool people in the city, tremendous access points. Hey yo, Bull, I appreciate the hospitality. Y'all sturdy. I'm staying a while, like a long while. I've been working on my human accent, you feel me? This John gonna be litty.
Alright, welcome to the spot. Nothing crazy, just a little something I put together. Come on, I'll show you around. Kept it simple. Open, clean, lot of light. I like my space how I like my circle. No clutter. I cook too, don't let the setup fool you. Big enough to host, lights dim, everything where it's supposed to be. I like order. It's important. Long days, you need somewhere that actually lets you shut it off. Sleep hit different when your space right. This my closet. Sneakers lined up, hoodies ready to go. Real talk, half these outfits look the same. It might be Flintstone type, one style, one groove every day. But you already know I make it work. This right here, the lab. Games, streams, whatever I feel like. Got the lights, got the chair. Sometimes I stay in here so long I forget the world exists. Call it productivity or procrastination. Either way, I win. Alright, this the spot. North Philly born Jersey, what's happening? Chicago, we still here. They ain't kicked me off the show yet. I guess they like my condo as much as I do. Keep it real, keep it chill, and yeah, I'ma turn up.
Hey yo, welcome to my space in the sky. Real talk, this place sturdy. Built to last. You feel me? Did I nail that? Yeah, I'm still working on the slaves. Enjoy the tour. I like living up high. Elevation help you think better. Also keeps the nonsense at a manageable altitude. Minimal decor, intentional energy, one statement piece. This the John. Did I use that right? People always ask what you eat. This my healthy John. No carbs, no drama. But sometimes I crave a hoagie. Just a little bit. Balance, right? This where I recalibrate in the ambience. I got silk sheets, blackout panels, and a sound machine that play river breeze frequencies. They remind me of downstairs. Gravity, please, act accordingly. Presentation is everything. You cannot be cute and chaotic. Pick a struggle. This for professional environments. This for when I'm feeling relaxed but ready. That's just in case I make it to the game. I didn't choose this city randomly. Good prospects. Good flood energy. Good... What's the word, John? That's all right. Y'all got heart. Slightly dramatic. At first I said I was just here temporarily. Quick stay. Little razzle-dazzle. Now I got a favorite nail salon and a preferred poppy store. Y'all need more aliens.
Okay, don't be shy. Come on in. Yes, it's pink. Yes, I paid extra for the drama.
Baby, we don't just cook in this house. We create experiences.
This couch, custom, because I deserve the best. I does this. Hydration, luxury, snacks, elite. This where I get my beauty rest. I got silk sheets, fluffy pillows. What more could I ask for? Every outfit tells a story. And the story is, I'm booked and busy.
Oh, this my secret arsenal. Beauty is power, sweetheart. And I stay dangerous.
I'm all for the luxury, baby. Manifest greatness. Live iconic.
We interrupt this broadcast with a snowstorm alert.
No way, another one? Ugh, I just cleared the driveway.
Snowstorm is hitting the city hard tonight. Blizzard conditions will continue through the morning.
A historic snowstorm is barreling down on the city tonight. We're looking at record snowfall and whiteout conditions. A historic snowstorm is bearing down on the city with up to 3 feet of snow expected. Travel will be extremely dangerous.
Nah, way too cold.
looking all over. Gotta be around here somewhere. Anyone seen them? Point me in the right direction. Come on, don't be shy. Snowmobiles!
I done shoveled. I gotta go to work today. They talking about riding snowmobiles all day. They tripping.
You found the snowmobiles? I'll be there!